Getting paid to test new video games and consoles sounds like a dream come true for gamers. But video game testing is a job like any other. It requires significant time and energy commitments. It's not something you can do with a few spare minutes or with less than your undivided attention. To get started as a game tester, sign up with a reputable network such as Keyword Studio, whose global beta test network GBTN helps game developers push their products to the limit and ensure they go to market with as few bugs as possible. GBTN's tests typically involve dozens to hundreds of testers around the world running simultaneous tests on different aspects of clients' games. Most tests are time-limited project-based affairs. Pay varies, but typically ranges from $20 to $50 per hour. Diligent, skilled testers who work part-time can earn $10,000 to $20,000 per year. Testers who work at or near full-time can easily exceed $50,000 per year. Successful game testers have certain capabilities and personality traits in common: a professional-grade gaming setup. If you're an avid gamer, you probably have this covered. If not, the cost of upgrading your setup in the hopes you'll be hired as a tester could be prohibitive. Unwavering attention to detail. Video game testing isn't like regular gameplay. The whole point is to prod for any bugs and defects that could potentially impact play. No matter how small or unlikely, your eyes must be peeled for any deviance from expected results. Flexible schedules with long blocks of uninterrupted time. Simultaneous game tests typically occur at the client's convenience. If your game's developer is based overseas, that could mean testing in the middle of the night. For night owls, that's not a big deal, but 9 to 5 workers may struggle. Also, tests typically take several hours, so this isn't something you can do for 20 minutes at a time and move on. So friends, today we told you in this short video that you can earn good money instead of playing games, and can make your profession a career. If you like the video, then do like the video and subscribe to the channel.